Hindi, okay na, okay na.
Parkinson. Parkinson.
Parkinson.
Parkinson.
Parkinson. Yeah, what
Parkinson.
is...
Wait lang.
Ako na magkatang para ano. Okay, the first section, this is Mr. Ivanhoe. And we are here to check him regarding his... Okay, what actually is the story of your illness?
Story.
Yeah, what happened? What is you are...
When I go up, I'm looking at the friend of what doing in India.
Drink beer. Yeah.
Then I think say you have to look at serious one. So we know.
Oh.
When I drink already, because she doing drive the car, my hand keep on saying I don't drive. Then I go see doctor. Doctor told me it's a Parkinson.
So Parkinson's disease.
So during the fall down.
Yeah. So you cannot control your movement.
I take Nicola. All the Parkinson people, Nicola.
Oh, what is it?
Hands shivering.
The symptoms.
Yeah.
This one until now is no nothing to control. You can only control, do a lot of exercise, then it will be better.
Oh.
This one you don't have cure.
Yeah. Because
Only get
yeah. It's just to control like uncertain movements sometimes because you
If you get this type of Parkinson, you want to take a right, you go and take the right hand.
yeah will be shaking.
You want to
So.
put in the mouth, you should be good.
So what are the things that concerns you after you have this Parkinson's?
Take the rest one.
I mean concern like last time you cannot do the things that you've been doing already. So does it make you feel boring,
Very sad.
sad?
I don't like to stay here. I stay here with no choice. Because afternoon all my children is working.
Oh.
Nobody, the children always scared. And
That you will be left alone and if anything happened to you.
yeah, my wife got took care of me also getting slimmer and slimmer.
Yeah.
Not sleep.
So you stay here for how long already?
Actually, I'm staying in this house. Last time before I come here, I was staying in section 17.
Oh.
Then
You were transferred here.
people will come over here. The other side, the service is not so good.
So, do you have any idea why suddenly you have this Parkinson's? Or maybe your life, the way you
No, last time I was working.
lifestyle before?
Last time I was working in the bank.
Oh, by
And then a lot of pressure lah. Every year to increase the sale. Credit card, insurance, personal loan, housing loan.
more stress and all this.
You think a lot of.
Yeah. So do you have time to like go out with your family before or Sunday only? So Sunday you totally don't work.
Sometimes taking the leave,
Difficult also.
end of the year, you think, take it, go to other place,
So like for example, you have this one already. Do you have anything like sometimes you question yourself, why do I have this? Why can I not go on like last time, something like that? Do you feel that way also?
feel very sad. There, you come here, everybody are sick people. When they talk to you, all the negative things.
Oh.
That's why when the people say, a lot of sickness, the economy is so not so good, you cannot be different. So to motivate them, you motivated me.
So, do you think like all this, like what we did just now, like helps you like feel better, something like that?
Definitely is better.
That way is better. At least there's an interaction with other outside people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because you go outside, everybody are like no good. You stay here for all the old people, it's a different. So you only come here maybe once a month or twice a month.
Should be okay.
Make mind more.
Yeah.
You stay alone here, you keep on thinking.
Yeah.
You worry.
What else do you feel when you are here?
no place like home.
Yeah.
And you always think, only like you.
Worry of my wife, the people will really
Mm.
get down.
How often they come and visit you?
Twice a day, 3 times a day.
So today they already came.
No, because the day I went back staying like 3-4 days.
Ah. So
every month I go back with her.
every month.
Just staying somewhere nearby.
So is there like so now we will go to the 4 domains, which is first is your physical suffering. So is there any pain that you've been?
Yeah, fell down.
Yeah, you fell down.
Some.
Oh. So you fell down how many times already?
Between 5-6 times.
5-6 times. Is there anyone there with you? When you fall down?
I don't know.
Your wife only. Then after that, it was it's broken.
Joint back.
Oh. So what happened? Did you have an operation?
Because they don't need
No need.
you got to put slowly the joint. I really keep unbalanced really.
Oh. So this when you fell down and this pain makes you like you cannot walk or stand properly already.
After you want to one step forward also cannot. Like today
Yeah.
last time I
Yeah, last time you can stand. The first time you came
Now
here.
I really can stand also.
Oh.
The overworking really tablet really ability to do better.
So meaning it really affects your mobility, like you're going stand and
So only the mobility. So cannot walk.
So is there any other, aside from you cannot stand by on your own or really stand now, is there any other like shortness of breath,
Only stamina.
stamina?
I talk to you but
You get tired? Tired.
so really people don't yeah, I want to say something about that.
Yeah. How about your eating?
Appetite or
It's still okay. I mean, you don't lose appetite.
no.
Yeah, but everything is still okay. So weak. Sometimes you feel weak.
With
The arms, muscle. Yeah. So at least you need also a massage, right? Yeah, I mean like just to make the blood circulate on your.
Massage for 1 hour. But
Yeah. So any other thing that worries you on your physical?
I'm worried about getting older, the signal getting higher.
Getting older.
Getting older.
Very older, the willpower will be getting down. So
Everybody go to the
we scared only one day we can walk.
Yeah. And then you just stay like that.
I usually ask my brother to the shopping center. I worry about wheelchair, we can go there. See more people, your heart.
Sometimes do you feel like questioning? I'm not sure if you believe in God.
Actually, your question, I know something similar to the doctor asked me. Doctor asked me to write, draw a picture. I draw already, it was sugar.
Nandito yung camera. Baka makatulog. Then, what happened then?
So just like that.
Oh.
Just the morning, they are having a activity outside. Just the night, I have to go and stay out there. I'm doing my own exercise.
Oh. So, now, do you feel like, okay, like you already accepted or at peace with your whatever you have now?
Already sick already, I know no point to not thinking.
So don't think too much
You
now.
think more worse.
So do you think it's like, do you feel like sometimes you question or pray also like, I mean, question God. I mean, just now when I asked you, it's questioning God. Why, of all people, you've got this kind of illness? Sometimes, like you said, most of the time you were alone and you just keep on thinking, you know?
Children also cannot accompany me.
Yeah.
They got their own family. Working in Singapore so far. The last week only she just came back.
So do you feel like sad that your family is not here with you or you are not with your family?
No choice.
We're not
That's
alone.
why you don't think too much.
Yeah.
You ask people to come and talk to you. You sit down there alone, you will think all sorts of things. A lot of people, they are married after one, they are either the husband passed away or wife passed away, who are alone.
So do you feel like depressed also sometimes? A little bit. So how do you cope up with your depression?
Because I see the
Movie?
Protect the watch on the
So any fear that you are feeling? Do you feel fear? Like you're afraid of? No. But you still want, you're still good to like interact with other people, right? You love, I think you love
You love to be
interacting.
socialized. Yeah, you can see that. Mingling with other people. So, are you okay with that?
I like to tell people. It's like I'm working.
You love to talk people. You love to meet up with people. I think nakuha na natin.
I'm doing a marketing side. I'm very
Social side.
very people. You're paying a lot. A
Ito
lot.
na yun.
I'm sure.